So, which freedom fighter inspires you the most?
The freedom fighter inspires me the most is Bhagat Singh, and the reason being, when I face challenges in my life, I think of his courage and it's give me strength to stand what is right.
Which freedom fighter inspires you the most?
As we can understand, all the freedom fighters are important for us, but one name just recalls my mind is Khudiram Bose. He inspired me most because at a very young age of 16 years, he left his home just for the sake of freedom of this country, and he sacrificed his life at a very young age. And that's the most thing that all we young people should learn from him, how we should love our country and what extreme we can go for the betterment of our country.
Which freedom fighter inspires you the most?
I guess I would take the name of Sardar Udham Singh. He was one of the disciples of Bhagat Singh, and he played a very vital role at that time of the era. So yeah.
So, which freedom fighter inspires you the most?
बेसिकली फ्रीडम फाइटर्स तो काफ़ी सारे हैं बट सुभाष चंद्र बोस मेरे को ज़्यादा पसंद है बिकॉज सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने हमें सिखाया है कि मतलब साहस और बलिदान से आज़ादी मिलती है और उन्होंने सिखाया है कि हमें ना देश के लिए बड़े सपने देखने चाहिए और हार नहीं माननी चाहिए.
Okay, so which freedom fighter inspires you the most?
Okay, it will be Rani Lakshmibai. Like as she fought for her country without any fear, and also she has a great leadership qualities, which brings women empowerment in our nation.
Which freedom fighter inspires you the most?
So, freedom fighter inspiring to me is Jhansi Ki Rani. She is the one of the favorite and famous freedom fighter for me. Why I chosen her? Because I have listened and I have read lots of story about her. I have remembered when she was fighting in the field and when she was tying her child with the chunni. So I found like she is the lady who can fight for her city, that is a Jhansi. So that's the reason I liked her and she is a very famous for me.
So, which freedom fighter inspires you the most?
I would say Bhagat Singh because he believed in bravery and sacrifice and become a symbol of courage when he was hanged at just 23-year-old. I think freedom does not come with peace, it demands blood and sheer will.
Which freedom fighter inspires you the most?
Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel inspires me for taking hard decisions which were important for uniting India. His leadership and courage continue to guide and motivate me a lot apart from other freedom fighter. क्योंकि उन्होंने जो कश्मीर के लिए किया, देश के लिए जो किया, वो किसी और लीडर ने नहीं किया, इसलिए मुझे वो बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
Which freedom fighter inspires you the most?
One freedom fighter that I find inspiring is Mangal Pandey. What I love about his story is that he stood up to one of the most powerful empires in the world without fearing for his own safety.